and lotule burikoa.
Well, good morning to each and everyone, to the taxi driver, to all the passengers, not forgetting the people they are standing now in front of the door, waiting for their bus.
Right.
Some of us, we are looking for our bus card.
Yeah.
And we are, hey, where's my flip-flop? Where's my... Be careful of the dog. They are very playful with our shoes if we are not care about it. And not forgetting LT1280, to the driver, LT1280, Pedeli Nabutere, this morning. Well, good morning to you, and good morning to you and the family joining this morning.
Ano nak be artori lawan nindo. Arto sangol ta jumpa kana famen mataka ni kuah. Nita kini nandone sing bina ni garabita via ni pambun-buno. Na itite wiki mereka kadang do titi tunggol indo susu manu. Wiki men ndau soko.
Ngori.
Sama mataka indai. What? Okay. 7:36 nante Messi. Any boat to Nambawalu or from Nambawalu to Notobi in the middle of the sea now?
Yeah, it's moving.
Okay.
It's moving.
Bekibre na sabi suka main lomaning wanga.
Iya.
Ada budi ngoli puno lebu, sabi bekibre ngoli cuma suba.
Right.
Mai puno lebu ni anra ni matabinak.
Well, good morning to Chube Seruesa and Bro Esa Kawaitana. And don't forget the LT, not the LT, this is the Lautokawan. The only taxi that driving in the super city from the LK, the open base. Good morning to Tuina Nunu Neori.
Right.
This is to Tamaisaki, LK1033. The man from Visoto, Loboni Ovalau. To Mrs. Tinaisaki, joining from St. John Theological College.
Right.
This one we was accompanied together during the going down
Turang matagali.
to the funeral.
Kila singa ba dilebut suruh ni buku-buku numpat nango.
Iya.
Mese mo tungai ni salumai.
Wadali belumay may murmena livi. LK1033. We went for the one funeral Mbuba from Burenitu Nalawara yesterday. I would like to take this time to thank the village, to all the village member. From Burenitu Nalawara, this before high school. On the left, there is a coconut korna mbulu, like a factory of the mbulu. Mbulu. So inside, not far, just close to the main road.
Okay.
To the Mbusa family, not forgetting father from there, and joining from Milekredandra and Takwila, they still there.
All right.
And also to Mbubilo. Na Luisa from Balawa. Okay, Wilintani. And Tamailiti. Joining from Reketin, Dalay Korkavula.
Sanzina.
Korkavula Tamaisini. And not forgetting Tamaima. They are joining from Korkavula in Reketi Road in Nalawara. They are joining this morning. And Nortomo Monangon small.
Oi, total Reketi Wira.
Yeah, Reketi Road. From Nalawara. Not forgetting the Waisaba. From Reketi Road to Tabale. Asake Rawanga, not forgetting Nalibulote, and Tamay Mess and Tinay Mess. Thank you for the vegetable yesterday and today and forever.
Okay, now we listen to the Outspalangi version of our Itoki Talanoa this morning. Gua kira papalang ya nama tadi ko bikin nino kanta kaya ko ni borong sumber mata kaya dai sena kaya kau ni borong main mata kaya tadi ko na italo na mama ni ono kira papalangi.
Before we start, to the gang from JBS Longford, Tasmania, Apenisa PJ, Rabulombe Mariana, Nancy, Paulini Ketenalangi, Waisake, Taivete, Emily Leoniden, Namomo, Cholameke, Irna staff JBS Tasmania, Justin Paul Rabulombe, Saloloma Bimbi to my. Okay, Tahinga, Bulabenaka. So this is a story about Tahinga and the family joining this morning. Not forgetting, the Palau is bringing Tahinga and the nest from Tokaimalo joining this morning.
This is the Talano about Nasi Eni.
I would like to take this time to good morning to Nasi Eni and the doctor on the 2015. 2014 of the year I was schooling in Ratuluke secondary school. So from there, you know what? This one sickness was happening.
Right.
This was in bullet form.
To your body.
To the to the body. So this one, we all know when somebody hit it by the bullet. The bullet we know where it is located. In the body.
Ya serang.
So one day, bullet was being part of my life. Any part of my life was being
Iya.
being.
How big were you by that time? Still the same or smaller?
Arey, we know when we study science, when we reach the age of 18,
Iya.
we can grow.
Okay.
So from there,
Iya.
we on the same height
You're right. Okay.
till now. But the weight,
Iya.
like a big guy.
Okay.
So from there,
Iya.
during the close to the interhouse and the zone,
Iya.
so we was preparing for the run.
Iya.
From there, we was about to run myself, my event in the school. I ran for the long distance, the 3,000 and the 1,500. So this one was underneath.
Your teacher didn't know that the bullet is there.
Don't know because it's hiding.
Okay.
Ote mereda na puno ya. So I was like this to Masta Iwan Elewakalo. Masta, please excuse me. Can I visit the toilet? Not the toilet. Can I visit the health center? Can I visit the health center, Masta? And Master said, "What's wrong with you, Ndemesi? You want to hide from the training?" No, Master. In my eyes, I can say that this one is natabali ko kabuni komenda tutuko na secret. Confidential. Confidential.
Yeah.
This is iling da muni andra adi. It is a pet tutini. No andra binakana John Kumar. This was confidential. Okay, go to you take the book. Every morning if somebody want to go to the hospital. Master Yohan Elewakolo was a teacher on duty, TOD. So you have to write your name. Go. This one. In the afternoon, I want to write my name in the book, the sick book.
Okay, the life of the bullet.
Yes.
How long has the bullet been with you?
Hey.
No, just that question.
Okay. The bullet depend on how you treat him. He is a him.
Oh, not a she.
He is a him because when I said he is a him because he's a very rough man.
Oh, he can fight back.
He can fight back if you are not treatable enough.
Oh, okay, baka moroko ko.
Respect him. If you respect him, he will respect you. He will respect in the way he don't want to grow big. If you move moroso, if you keep on rostering, cold weather, standing long time,
that's the enemy.
That's the enemy. He will grow bigger and bigger. Be careful of his bigger.
Not 2 months old.
2 months old, me Arte na numor to may balen ko remind to na bonu. Napaka roso aboki.
Kung ko sa kay buri lako.
Eda bonde o ka baday pa. So from there I want to go to the hospital.
Okay.
So when I reach the hospital, Master, I take the school book.
Please,
book.
just show us. Go pick up in the sara chumay. Please stand up, Nemes. Please stand up.
Okay.
And show us the way you walk when the bullet is there. Kere.
Hey, nobody.
Tapos may muri, please move back. Meron mati di konon rila pa na parang chumay. Sasa.
Mato yaw.
Right, go. Ni sara mo.
You know, you walk. Kila mo.
Tiptoe.
Iyo mo tiptoe.
Iyo.
Oh, tiptoe. You don't collide the other, eh? Meron ko ako ni Sambaki ko ya. You know, he is a hookah. He is a hookah in a scrub. So don't play with us.
Kunibang gitor ko.
Never. If you ever come across this, go to the hospital, please. Please. There's 2 different kind. One.
Several normal sa Santa Rosa, California, Diandra.
One for the entering into the Wiloma, and one for the outside.
Don't loot Wiloma, and one bullet come outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what was happening? The one outside. Kwa tiko. It was outside. So when we go to the hospital, I was like this. What's wrong? What's because I want to go in the afternoon. So that the hospital empty.
Oh, okay. Right.
So I went to the hospital. Nasi Eni was there. You know, Nasi Eni was like a detise.
What's your damn scare before you come? How your transport from Ratuluke to the hospital is the horse?
Horse me lambura. Messi sinda ko ni Ose. Nabang angkor Ose. Ebita nakako juga tayo.
Kikira sir for my question.
So when I went in, I see the nest. Kaya when that time
Yeah.
nabisa we, sa kami sa kilat ko may
Sa secondary school to ya.
Yeah, secondary school. The amount of wende is about to double up.
Yeah.
So when I went in, I see the nest.
Yeah.
Say tigo binak bulan binak.
Yeah.
Bulan binak kana si Eni.
Yeah.
This nest from Sianganga, and also to the doctor.
Yeah.
So nasi Eni come, you know the job of the nest.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah.
See your folder?
Yeah.
Inside the folder, you allergic?
Yeah.
Take a pressure? Take a blood?
Yeah.
Take your sugar?
Yeah.
And everything. So what sickness?
Yeah.
What sickness?
Before you go to the doctor?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's a sickness?
Yeah.
I said, there is a boil underneath.
You said boil or
I said a boil.
Oi.
So where in underneath?
Yeah.
Tarang mo na where is underneath?
Yeah.
Aus kuda is
Okay, how do you sit like this? Your legs like this or what?
tapos nagpasikan ni. I was like this. No, where? Here.
Yeah.
I said the bullet.
Oi.
To the nest. I said it is a bullet.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to see.
Oi.
Nest. It's a bullet.
Oi.
Sabi ko, Nest, it's a bullet.
Right.
No, I want to see because to determine what kind of
Paracetamol.
what kind of medicine to give or injection.
Yeah.
Because
that
the size.
Help you.
Yeah, the size.
Yeah.
The size of the bullet depend on the what kind of medicine we're gonna give. Nabengarabi.
Right.
What kind of services we're gonna give you.
Okay, tarong mo what's the bullet?
The bullet.
Yeah.
The bullet is a very rough man.
Yeah. It's like a boil.
It's like a boil.
Yeah.
That grow. I don't know why he grew there.
Yeah. Okay. All right. And then
so
nurse there. So everything you say in nurse
right.
Write it down, eh?
Write it down.
Yeah.
So when anda pinaka Finacox.
Yeah.
So from there I went in. Nasi Eni said, I want to see.
Yeah.
When Nasi Eni said, I want to see. Why you want to see? I said, this is the bullet. You can't see. Kenta rusul mga tanga.
Nothing underneath.
Underneath nothing because of him.
Dinasara.
We can.
What happened if you wear something underneath?
I will rubbing and cause
friction, eh?
Friction.
Oh, okay.
So
right.
when he said he wants to see, I said see.
Yeah.
When she want to see,
yeah.
I said Nasi Eni, please. Why you want to see? Because the size. I said the size is this.
Yeah.
This is the size. Yeah. No, I want to see the size.
Yeah.
Nasi Eni.
Lie down. The message I want to see.
Nasi Eni, please.
Yeah.
Please, this is the size.
Yeah.
So when Nasi Eni said this is the size.
Yeah.
How did you know? How did you know the size? I said to Nasi Eni, the mirror already come down there. Atara mo Nasi Eni, kilabada mo ni bangko na kinakalew. Abang ko Nasi Eni, nabunong ko risali sumikin na ilo-ilo.
Saya terhilo lay. Naililo sa kalindro.
Wait, Nasi Eni, please, can I visit the washroom? From the washroom, take the gate o kambata ng bay, wando na koro. Sarto wawa tumay na matalilay. Awawa to na siya na umbito tumay na boli kornibuli, na boli pula. I keep it in my bag. Leave my bag and everything. I went home.
And how did the bullet Ruby Taltal?
So I went in the village and one of my brother told me one herbal medicine.
Oi.
So from there, I used the herbal medicine.
So the brother see the bullet?
No, doesn't see the bullet. See the bullet mengolo. So when I go back home, he give me the medicine.
Yeah.
When I go back to school the next morning, so they was looking the 8 a.m. So they're looking who take the sick book. Who take the sick book? I said we don't know. So Master Iwan was like this. Ask Nemesi. Nemesi, come. Where's the sick book? In the hospital. You lie. You never go to the hospital. Master, you know what was one sickness was happened to me and the nurse want to see my sickness. Abang amin ko, Master. Dona tabitan lole bukero kamu gobat kena si bunong gunro ko biar ida sar ngoko si tigo ibe namatengo e vai be na kena kalebu.
But the bullet came back and visit you one time after school.
I rebuke him.
Oh, okay.
Go away. You not naughty.
Here.
Why you here?
Right.
You are not allowed to be part of this life.
Yeah.
I'm a school student.
Yeah.
Go and
Okay. Nindo elaw nga sawa na chukir na kena makan demis. Wait. Kaya kaya erkele na kan tawe kata mati bang. Kaya kaya nindo elaw nga sawa na chukir na kena makan.
Yeah.
Iko confirm ta kasi ko dinay ta kan chukir na makan.
I said, no marking.
How do you know?
I see the mirror. Sabangan ko nasi, abang ko nasi. Abang ko na kinakali, simber mo ko kilabada ba? Ako ka nasi ni, nabunong ko risali sumekin na ilo. Binabalik Punjas, thank you very much. Scan and win exciting prizes this Diwali. We love you all.
Binabalik besar. Oh, ile. So, Juliet Margaret Cathy, you not belong there. Warta semua pati ko tamanin rakusi tabali dems.
Mbulare arkales andare lolo mambimbi umay nanju baka ruak kumbulong buah.
Andare.
Ko bengkare boleh main na matay boleh bola tangan.
Oh, andare ratau.
Mel na dale bu bile seni ya. Dong bulan ya katungan indende ani ko may sabaw seni kasara mondende ngon tala tablen to.
Siya ko mo tukuna manda veki mami.
Iyo.
Nak chiko kana maka sianga.
Sama bo kani. Nawai babi tu seleo berada si tando kebo. Ilo mai tumbai langim bulu.
Elasu. Elisar ker. Oh, iya.
Wah istamai to boleh mitungan ngon ko kenama kami baro ko abu boli.
Bina boleh besar na vito kan dia na matakendai tamai Josi Olina kirumanda tala vi ateli ningio Sicilia tokalau batita o ani Ramase. Kortumbu kay nabu bale na kortumbu kay nandungi balu. Nandungi balu. Karena ka
like taka ngai siya taka tunon talay na matawi na ni kuha.
Yeah. And sino chako bil lesenia?
Lasu.
Sa beran to weekend na kay burung-burung sa chibu ka na makan ni 666.
Kuha. Mula na tamali apatiko untuk boleh menaka Elizabeth Tutini Juliet Margaret Cathy. Wanini binana muni bengkarabi na matabi na ni kuha. Kerami usada ba?
Doon po menaka.
Lolo mambimbi ke muni, wanini binana muni bengkarabi sini kuha sa pungan doon sini mataka. Apa ni binaka? Ngona BTFM?